My name is Devin Knaperek. I'm the manager of road service at RapidLink Repairs. I focus on setting clear expectations, communicating them effectively, and ensuring my team has the tools needed to do the job right. Consistency comes from strong processes, real-time updates, and continuous follow-up. Reliability comes from accountability. We monitor performance, track response times, and adjust quickly when something isn't working. At the end of the day, my goal is to ensure every customer gets the same high-quality experience every time. Daily operations run smoothly due to preparation, clear communication, and consistent visibility into everything that happens throughout the day. We rely on real-time dispatching and tracking tools to monitor jobs, which allow us to respond quickly to delays or changing conditions. Staying connected with the vendors is another key component. Regular email and reach alerts, confirmation steps, and defined escalation paths help prevent service failures before they occur. On the back end, we focus on data accuracy and reporting to identify bottlenecks, highlight performance issues, and ensure continuous improvement. My overall goal is to ensure all systems, people, tools, and processes work together seamlessly so every event moves predictably from start to finish. Behind every roadside repair, there's scheduling, monitoring, parts coordination, and consistent communication. We're keeping an eye on technician locations, job completion times, and shifting customer needs. We're also working with other departments when necessary to remove roadblocks. The customer sees a fast response. They don't see the planning, tracking, and teamwork that made it happen, and that's the part we handle quietly in the background. Seeing the results from the work we do. When a customer gets back on the road quickly or a technician tells me the support we provided made their job easier, that's the payoff. I enjoy solving problems, improving processes, and helping my team succeed. There's real satisfaction in knowing that the work I do directly impacts people's day-to-day operations and keeps things moving.